What's up, B? It's the boss buddy, AA. I'm here to make your day, put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss buddy!
What's up, people? We talking Joe Pye. It is a plant that you really need. What a D telling you what it tracks. In just a minute, I will spill all the facts. I don't know about you, but I'm super hyped. If you guess so, you are absolutely right. It attracts bees a lot, makes them calm and lose their thought. They sit on the Joe Pye weed for hours and snack on the nectar from its flowers. And that's not all, people. The butterflies flutter helter skelter, searching the Joe Pye weed for its sweet nectar. These are pollinators, they are plant creators, they do pollination. It's important for the next generation. They carry pollen from a flower to another, which helps the plants propagate and puts us in our current state, happy, healthy, with a very, very delicious plate. Yum! Hey people, they need our help, for they can't yell or yelp. They are going into serious decline. Not helping them is just a crime. Without the pollinators, we lose 70% of our food. It puts me in a really bad mood. It's a perennial, dun 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 dun. It's a perennial, dun 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 dun. Come on, man, you wanna know it's bloom season? It's summer for a reason. It loves the sun. It blooms in pink and purple too. I planted it last year and it grew and grew. From 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, the Joe Pye